Experiencing trouble getting 5G on your Spectrum mobile phone? You're not alone. The primary reasons are usually related to your plan, your device, or the 5G coverage in your area. Firstly, confirm your Spectrum mobile plan includes 5G access, which all current plans do automatically. Then, ensure you have a 5G compatible device like a Samsung Galaxy S24 or iPhone 15 Pro. Older phones won't work. Finally, 5G coverage isn't everywhere, so use Spectrum's coverage map or apps like OpenSignal to verify 5G availability where you are. If these check out, continue watching for more in-depth solutions. Now that you've checked your plan, device, and coverage, let's fix the 5G issue. Start with these simple steps to restore your connection. First, restart your phone completely. This clears temporary glitches that might be blocking 5G connectivity. Next, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then off. This refreshes your network connection and can resolve connectivity issues. Third, reset your network settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi networks and cellular settings. Find this option in your phone's settings under General Management on Android or Network and Internet. Fourth, check that your phone's software is up to date. Outdated software can cause connectivity problems with 5G networks. If the quick fixes don't resolve your 5G issue, contact Spectrum Mobile Support. They can arrange a SIM card swap or provide a firmware update for your device. According to Spectrum's data, these troubleshooting steps successfully restore 5G connectivity for around 60 to 70% of users. For persistent issues, consider that building materials can block 5G signals indoors, or network congestion can slow your speeds. For example, users in San Francisco reported improved 5G speeds after receiving firmware updates and benefiting from coverage densification in 2025. If you're still experiencing 5G connectivity issues, it's best to contact Spectrum's official support channels for the most up-to-date assistance.